I've been doing an experiment on my YouTube channel where I buy $1 of Bitcoin for over 1,500 days in a row now. The most common question that I get asked is, when do I sell? That's a very complex question, and if you're asking that question, you're probably thinking about Bitcoin in the wrong way. Bitcoin is a long-term play. It's a limited supply asset where only 21 million coins will ever be minted, and a ton of economic energy goes into minting these coins every day. So we're seeing it being used as a digital gold or somewhere where people can safely store their money. And we're also seeing it being used for transactions. As you can see here, posted May 24th, 2023, Bitcoin has settled over $108 trillion in transactions, meaning money sent from one wallet to another. You can literally send millions of dollars across the earth for a very tiny transaction fee, which is something we've never seen before. Another massive thing is that Bitcoin allows for self-custody, so you control your own money. You don't have to rely on a third party like a bank, a platform, or an app to store and manage your money for you. You can do it yourself. Bitcoin is being seen as protection against inflation. As you can see, over the past 10 years, the US dollar is losing value to Bitcoin, and it's lost 99.579% of its value over 10 years. Bitcoin may seem volatile, like it's going up or down a lot, but if you just simplify it a little bit, the trend has been upward since inception. So rather than speculating on it and attempt to trade it, my suggestion is to start to learn about Bitcoin and slowly accumulate it for the long haul. We continuously see improvements for Bitcoin and reasons why self-custody and transparent money is important. I hope you guys enjoyed this information, found it helpful. Definitely check out the other videos on my channel where there's hundreds of tutorials and experiments around crypto and finance apps. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.